Hello everyone, welcome to Arkastra Science, and today I'm back again with yet another new video. In this video I will discuss the monthly horoscope for the month of June 2021 for the sign of Pisces. And as usual, if you are new to this channel, tap onto the subscribe button, click onto the notification bell icon so that every time I make a new video you get notified instantly. So without losing a single moment, come let us see how it is working. For the Pisces ascendant people, your Lagna Lord Jupiter will be transiting through the 12th house of loss, salvation, spirituality and mysticism. 12th house, you see, this transit becomes very significant. Jupiter is the significator of original 2nd house, 5th house, 9th house, 11th house. It is also the significator of husband. Jupiter has got the significations of most important things of a life. Jupiter is the Jiva Karaka. It is the significator of life. You will never want such an important planet to transit through the 12th house of loss. You see, during this transit I will say you, first of all, take care of your health. The first important thing I will say you, take care of your health, take care of your personality and image. Take care regarding your significations, regarding your wealth, finances, your family values. Take care regarding your relationship with your progeny and children, regarding the health of progeny and children. Very important. Your relationship with your network circles and friends. Make sure that you don't fall into any kind of conflicts or disputes regarding that, because Jupiter will be transiting through your 12th house. On the brighter side, since 12th house is also the house of moksha, it is the house of salvation, it is the house of God, surrender, spirituality. So it will make you dive deep into the occult and spiritual side of life, because Jupiter is the wisdom. Means now it may happen that you may suddenly start up some spiritual practices, you may join some spiritual community, suddenly you can land up into some spiritual places, or you may go to some faraway land and go and visit some spiritual community, make some bonding, good bonding with spiritual peoples. Okay, that can happen. So that will bring some happiness in your life, because Jupiter will be aspecting your 4th house of happiness, home. So when you do all those things, that will increase your happiness index, because now Jupiter is in the 12th house of isolation, confinement. If you don't apply yourself in those spiritual practices, then you may feel that I am completely isolated. I am isolated from my family, I am isolated from each and every materialistic desires of my life. So I don't want that thing to happen to you. So I will say you that go for any kind of spiritual practices, any kind of, because it will give you insights to dive deep into the occult side of the life. Okay, Jupiter will, why occult I am saying you, because Jupiter will also aspect your 8th house. So if you are feeling to do any kind of deep research, that can also be done because of this blessing of Jupiter. Any kind of occult science, any kind of secret knowledge, this is the time when you will get lots of good moments to go through it. Saturn will be transiting in your 11th house in the sign of Capricorn in retrograde motion. Here Saturn will make you very disciplined regarding making up or building up your network circle, because Saturn will say you that this is the high time when you work on making your friend circle much more beautiful, because this teamwork, this group will help you get lot of gains in your life, ahead in your life. And since this retrograde of Saturn will be of 140 days, that means it will give you enough time to work on it. And after when Saturn will become direct, that time you will see that how your gains are coming in your life so beautifully, because this 140 days it will grill you, it will make you do lots and lots of hard work. And that time, after 140 days, you will see how beautiful this Saturn is giving you gains. So this 140 days of retrograde Saturn is essential in your life, in the house of gains. being the 11th lord, because it is saying that I am going to give you the gains, but first prepare the throne for it, then only I will let you sit in that throne with all the gains of your life. Okay. Sun, Rahu, Mercury will be transiting in your third house of efforts, actions. It's a very beautiful time when Sun and Rahu, along with Mercury, although Mercury is retrograde, but still, when Sun and Rahu are transiting through your third house, it is giving you lots of concentration, focus, energy, efforts to do your efforts and actions. Any kind of hobbies or any kind of initiatives which you wanted to take or you want to take, this is the time. It will give you favors from your superiors, favors from the government. It will increase your name, fame, reputation, because now you will start the work and you will get the success, and automatically you will get the name and fame. Mercury is getting retrograde over here, and third house is the house of communication. Be very careful regarding what you say. Be very careful regarding what you write, what you print. Any kind of document or any kind of paperwork has to be rechecked again and again before publishing it. It is also the house of publishing. So either you can mislead someone or you can be misled by someone. So be very careful regarding that. On 22nd of June, when Mercury will become direct, that time the scenario will change. That time this Mercury will give you much more good insights to communicate with the people, to put forward your views and express it with the help of good and beautiful communication. Venus will be transiting in your 4th house. This is giving you lots and lots of luxuries, comforts at your home environment. It is actually increasing your conveniences and mental peace. Means you will be feeling that I am getting all sorts of pleasures of my life during this month, especially when Venus is transiting through your 4th house. Very soon on 15th of June, around 15th of June, when Sun will enter the sign of Gemini in the 4th house for the Pisces people, that time there can be some ego clashes, that time there can be some kind of anxiety or irritation, lack of happiness index at your home environment. But although there will be some aspect of Jupiter on the 4th house, Jupiter will be aspecting by its 5th aspect on the 4th house. There will be blessing of Jupiter, but still Sun is a very hot-headed planet. It will play its part. So that time be very, very careful regarding any kind of decision making which you are putting forward, which you are thinking regarding your home front. Mars will be transiting in your 5th house. Here Mars is getting debilitated. See, 5th house is the house of creative self-expression, means any kind of creative talent, and Mars is that soldier. Mars is that adventurous energy. So you may like any kind of adventure sport, you may like action oriented things in your life, but since Mars is getting debilitated, be very careful regarding that. Don't lose your discipline while doing those things. Suppose you went for some adventure sport and you lose your discipline, then that can cause some injuries, that can cause some accidents, because Mars will be looking into the 8th house by its 4th aspect. So be very careful regarding that. Very soon, when in the month of July, on 20th of July, when Mars will enter the sign of Leo, that time this Mars will give you much more good result as compared to now when Mars is getting debilitated in your 5th house. So during this time, your intelligence, your wisdom is needed much more. Why I am saying this? Because Jupiter is transiting through your 12th house of loss. Mercury is getting retrograde. So don't do anything out of your impulsive behavior. That can cause some kind of harm to your health, some kind of harm to your personality. Okay. That can make you fall in some trouble. Okay. So that is the thing which you have to take care of. So I've understood that how the planetary transits or the role of the planets played by them in their respective signs is going to work in the month of June 2021 for the sign of Pisces. If you like this video, tap onto the like button, share it to your near and dear ones whom you really feel who need to watch this video, and your comments are always welcome to me. Your precious opinions, your queries are always welcome in the comment box, and anytime you need a consultation from me, check the links in the description section. So that's it from my side. I'm thanking you. Bye bye.